our thought is making handicap all of us. If we don't have confidence in our life, in our mind, in our brain, then we cannot do anything in our life. We have to be the courageous person. We all are scrolling reels on Instagram. We all are watching stories on Instagram. We also are putting our status on WhatsApp. We are also putting our story on Instagram. We are doing number of things, but the thing what we are unable to do, what we are compelled to do. If someone asks us, sing a song for me, I cannot sing a song, sir. If someone asking, please say some dialogue of Bollywood movies, Tollywood movies, or Hollywood movies, then with that time we feel shy. We start feeling shivering. Why, ladies and gentlemen, why it is happening? We all are so human beings. If they are actors and they can do it, why we cannot do it? One of my friend, he always feel fear. He always get scared. I don't know why. What is happening to him? Continuously, I am motivating him and I am giving him my example. The way I am doing all these things. Why you cannot do this? You can also do this. You have to use your mind, and words should come from the bottom of your heart. You should play with the word. You should play with yourself. You should play with your mind, and you should not listen your mind. If you will start listening your mind, then it will always try to play with you. You don't have to listen your mind, and you have to talk confidently, freely. Feel like that there is no one in this part. You have to talk like that way, in that confidence, and this way you can generate power, and this way you can generate enthusiasm inside you, and you can become the confident person, and you can become fluent in English language. The way I am talking in English language, I am feeling comfortable in English language. You can also do this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is very easy thing, and English language is an amazing language. It is global language. In the world, people are speaking, people are talking, people are writing, each and everything they are doing in English language. Even in our country, India, number of things running in Hindi language. If we have to use our shops, if we have to purchase our medicine, if we have to do anything, we are doing each and everything in English language. But the thing what we are not doing, we are not talking in English language. That's why we are feeling uncomfortable when we have to talk in English language. But look at me, I'm not feeling, because I believe in myself. I know that I have memorized so many vocab powers. I know the rules of grammars. I have studied about it, and I know also English is also language. Nobody know from the stomach of a mother. The same thing we have to apply in our life. If we are making mistakes, it is okay. We are human beings. We can make mistakes. Even God do mistakes. Then why we cannot make a mistakes? Ladies and gentlemen, this was Mr. Upen Singh. Now I would like to give again chance to my friend Rishabh, and he would like to come here and he would like to give his presentation in front of this camera and in front of all these people in the park. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, bye bye.